guys, it's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before anything else, shoutout muna tayo kasi na-miss ko tong gawin. It's been a long time since the last time nakapag-upload ako ng tutorial. So yeah, shoutout kay Kim Conyado, Rose Yasmain Bungkas, Julian Hika, Aaron Plum, Giancarlo Gallardo, Gabriel Buizon, Tracy Kathleen Castro, Justin De La Rea, Jade Rian, Miss Ella Lozano, Neil Macalindong, Daniel May Luis Hueco, Venice Montesilio, and lastly, shout out kay Trisha Solarte. And so if you want to be mentioned on my next video, so just drop your names on the comment section below. So wag na nating patagalin yung intro na to. Grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play 214 by Rivermaya. So first thing that you have to do is you have to clip your capo. By the way, bago yung capo ko, it's from Populele. Aray. So maliit na capo talaga yung gagamitin ko ngayon. It is perfect for ukulele kasi yung madalas kong ginagamit na capo is sa guitar siya. So medyo bulky siya ng konti. So ayan. So ipit nyo yan dito sa first fret para maabot natin yung pitch na ni-revive ni de Guzman. So yun yung version na gagamitin natin ngayon. So ayun. So first thing that I have to teach you is the intro riff. So maging ganito siya. And so first thing that you have to do is you have to do the D chord. And so the D chord should look like this. Index, middle, fourth finger. Okay. So isi-strum mo lang siya using your thumb. Then after that one, you have to pluck this string. Open string lang siya. So, di ba walang finger na nakaipit dito kasi nakaipit lang siya sa G, C, E. Pero dito sa A string, this is the A string or your first string. So, open lang siya. So, you have to pluck that after strumming the D chord. So, strum, tapos pluck. And after that one, put your middle finger here dito sa C string or the third string of your ukulele and then you have to pluck that twice. Then after that one, you have to pluck that for the third time and then after plucking the third time, isa-slide mo siya papuntang 6th fret. So dito sa fretboard mo, di ba may circle na makikita kayo dito. So ibig sabihin, yung pangalawang circle, yan yung 6th fret mo. So para hindi kayo maguluhan kasi baka magka-count pa kayo and every time na magsaslide kayo, asan mo yung 6th fret, ganon. So this circles here dito sa fretboard mo, that will serve as your guide. So some models of the ukulele, walang circle na ganon sa fretboard. So makikita nyo yung ibang circle dito sa side na to. So ayan, so baka bago nyo pa na-discover na may tuldok-tuldok pala yung dito sa gilid nyo kung wala man yung ganito sa ukulele nyo. So, ayun na nga. Ang dami kong chika. So, again, strum D chord. Then, pluck this open string. And then, put your index finger. Or no, middle finger pala. 2, 2. And then, pluck papuntang 6th fret. And then, use the same finger. Tapos, papuntang 4. And then, 2. Okay? So, again. Ayan. Tapos, after that one, position mo yung fingers mo just like the B flat. Ayan. So, ipit tong dalawang string na to, index, and then middle finger. Ayan. And then, after that one, strum mo lahat. So, 1, 1, 2, 3. So, meaning, first fret, second fret, and third fret. Tapos, makikita mo sa tabs na nakalagay dyan is 4, and then 2 after the B flat. So, ibig sabihin, you have to put your pinky finger here. Ayan, okay? So, this one, lagay mo dyan. Then, you have to pluck that string. Okay? So, strum. And then, after plucking that one, you have to lift it up and then pluck the same string. Okay? Again. Medyo mahirap siya, pero kailangan nyo lang talagang extend yung mga daliri nyo. So, after that one, lift all of your fingers and then pluck this string. Okay? The fourth string. So, open lang. And then, after that one, position mo yung C chord. Okay? So, B flat, strumming the chord of C, so lift mo na naman lahat. So wala nang nakalagay na kamay dito. So 0, 0, 0, or open G, open E, open G. So after that part, yun na yung da-da-dang, da-da-dang. So first thing that you have to do in that part, you have to position your fingers para sa D chord. So 1, 2, 3. Sa second fret, okay? So kahit naka tayo dito, capo 1, after that one, bale, ito na yung first fret mo. First, second, third, and so on. So again. So D chord. Tapos use the middle finger again, pang slide, papuntang 6 to 7, and then you have to pluck the string twice. And then, so 2, 4, 2. Ayan. So D. So, kung i-connect mo na lahat ng tinuro ko, so maging ganito na siya. So now we're done with the intro riff. So let's move on to the verses of the song. So dito sa verses, yung gagawin lang natin is isa-strum lang natin siya. And then yung strumming pattern natin is napaka-common lang. And it is a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you have to do that strumming pattern in each of the chords sa verses. So sa verse 1, sa verse 2, so yun lang din yung gagawin natin. Okay, so first chord natin dyan is D. And then the next chord is A minor. We also have the chord of G, G minor, lastly, the chord of F. So, in order to strum your ukulele, magiging ganito siya. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then, after that one, D pad. Tapos, D pad. Ganito yung flow ng strumming pattern natin. So, sa mga bagong viewer ko dyan, yung pagkakastrum ko, parang ganito yung forma ng kamay ko. Number 3 na sign, money sign. So, yung nail ng index finger ko, yun yung para sa down strum ko. And then, the up strums, I'm just using my thumbnail. Okay, so, down, up, down, up, down, up. Ayan. So, let's try to do the verse 1, 2, 3, go. Am I real? Speak before you make you feel that the love I have for you is seen no ending. Well, if you look into my eyes, then you should know that there's nothing here to doubt, nothing to fear. And you can lay your questions down. Dito sa amin. Pasensya na niya. Anyway, dito sa last chord natin sa verse 1, we have the chord of F sa you'll know. So, dito sa F, mag-iiba na yung strumming pattern natin, and then this strumming pattern is connected na siya sa chorus. So, dito sa know, and you'll know. So, magiging down, 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 up, yung strumming pattern natin. So, di ba kanina, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, dito sa chorus, magiging down, 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 up. Okay? So, from F, down, 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 up. Tapos, D minor. Tapos, A minor. Tapos, in every B flat and C na chord, mag-iiba na naman yung strumming pattern natin. And, magiging down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, magiging ganito siya. And you'll know the world could die. And everything may lie, still you shan't cry. 'Cause time may pass. Ayan. So, in every B flat and C, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then, after that one, yung next chord natin dyan is F. So, babalikan naman sa down, 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 up, down, up, down, then, let's try to sing the chorus. 3, 2, 1, go. The world could die and everything may lie, still you shan't cry. 'Cause time may pass, the longer it'll last, I'll be by your side. Tapos after that part, babalik ka naman sa intro riff muna. Ayan, so sa part na yan, ulitin mo naman yan after the chorus. Then after the intro riff, babalik ka naman sa verses. So we have the verse 2. So same thing. Take my hand, gently close your eyes, you could understand. So yung strumming pattern natin sa verse 2, the same lang siya sa verse 1. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, ayun lang. Yun lang yung gagawin natin sa verses. And then after that one, repeat the chorus again. Tandaan nyo yung strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Tapos in every B flat and C, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Tapos balik ka naman. Ayan, nagingin naman yung motor. The world could die and everything may lie, still you shan't cry. 'Cause time may pass, the longer it'll last, I'll be by your side. Tapos after that one, we have the instrumental, forever by your side. So we have F, D minor, A minor, and B flat for the instrumental. And then yung strumming pattern natin is the same lang siya sa chorus. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And then after the instrumental part, connected na naman siya sa chorus. So we'll have to do the chorus for the third time, I guess. So balik na naman tayo dun. 'Cause no. The world could die and everything may lie. So, ayun lang. Paulit-ulit na lang yung lahat. So, just remember the strumming pattern. I guess I have introduced you to 3 strumming patterns. First is yung sa verses na down, up, down, up, down, up. And then, after that is the chorus, yung down, 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 up, down, up. And then, after that one, yung sa B flat and C na down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, ayun lang. I-master nyo lang yung tatlong strumming patterns na to and you're good to go.
Hey guys! So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.